So there's this, and this is a checker. So check the bracket with the bracket. So it's usually, I think it kind of like check on this area per se. So I mean, overall there's like two stages in my opinion. The first stage is to actually check the ends one, which is here, and then the stage 2 will be checking on this area. So for this case, it's like on stage 2 it will check, okay, is there a matching one with this? So the stage 2 will actually check that if this whole thing is there, this one, so there is. So what I'm gonna do is gonna like pop this value, and then proceed to the next. So say if the next value is, we have this, so same thing, we check the stage 1, right? And then stage 2, we check here, and we have a matching value, so it kind of like pop both these two values, and then it will just proceed after. So and now the question is like, how does the mechanics of the stacks actually work? Because to me, what a stack does was that, so there's a few values over here. So this current value that we added in, but I don't know how stack interact with a hash map. But if I'm to solely speak for the stack point of view, is that if say like a new value comes in, and say it's like this bracket thing, right? If our checker is able to actually, okay, so say this value comes, or the newest value comes here, so the checker will check all the values over here, and this mechanism is being conducted by a hash map per se, and the checker will actually take the value of like the most recent value, and it's going to rinse and repeat our previous step of what we talked about, and then it say that, yeah, we actually have that value in. The thing is, it's gonna pop off this value, it's gonna like scan through and then actually find the matching value to be popping that value out as well. And I don't think like a stack is able to actually allow us to do that, right? What I feel is that it's gonna pop this value on the top, but it's not gonna pop the value that's inside it. It's causing some worry, in my opinion, because usually I just want to remove like whatever is unnecessary, you know. So this is very weird. I just realized that it's not up to my job, my role, to actually, you know, totally figure out how the mechanics of the coding actually works, in terms of how the stack interact with the hash map per se. It's so much more about, like, at this point of view, we do understand the logic sense of things, and we can only like sort of predict what's gonna happen, because it's a totally different game when you compare the logic game and the coding game. It's a total different game. Each has its own pros and cons, and each has its own pros and cons. So yeah, I mean, with that, everything comes to an end.